back. Today is the day that my papa and Miguel are arriving. Woohoo! Today is Black Saturday and we're on our way to the Borders Arena to have family lunch, and I cannot swim because I might get jellyfish sting and it's not gonna heal on time. And here's Paulo, my soon-to-be husband, in a week. He's so excited. Also, today is a very special day because it's 4/20. This was supposed to be our original wedding date, but because it was Black Saturday, we were like, no, people aren't gonna be here because they're gonna be out traveling. So we decided to move it a week later. So right now we're about to go boating, yachting, I don't know what you call it, but we're about to go on one of these. We're actually using both boats, but the oldies go on one of the boats and then the younger ones on another. Soon to be brother and sister-in-law, right? Christine, and this is Mel. That's my mother-in-law. Sweetheart, next week around this time we'll be married na. Are you excited?
Let's keep coming in. I got you, but just know I'm texting like Uncle Sam. Left to the bank, you know that I'm coming in. We don't do it for the bands though. We don't do it for the clout.
Are currently on our way to Ayala to have dinner with our cousins, and this day is gonna go on and on and on. And we need to buy panty because I'm out of underwear because we have not done our laundry in 2 weeks. And I'm legit on like my last piece of underwear, so I'm just gonna buy new panty. Naka-act siya panty kay? Panties for $249. I feel like every aisle is like a church aisle, so I've been practicing my walk. Can you imagine, Case, next week I'll be married? That's my cousin Isabella, and that's Sophia, and that's Rachel, and that's Tita Tina. So they have this crazy theory that Paulo and I were meant to be because our hashtag is pig, and when I was a kid I kept writing pigs.
You were 6 years old there.
Maybe I was just talking about mom. Look, it says at the back, Issa's Pigs. It is like 10 o'clock and I am currently on my way to High Five, which is in UCC, or no wait, it's at Bonifacio District. We're on our way to see my cousins and my friends. Mayjoy is my cousin who came all the way from the States with her friend Cassandra for the wedding, and I haven't seen them yet, so we are on our way there to meet them and to grab like a couple drinks, and then I'm gonna head home, sleep, wake up at 4, and then go to the airport. Hi! Hi! Go pee! So it's like 3:40. We only got like an hour of sleep, but we're gonna pick up my papa and my brother. Hi! Hey, Papa! Hi! Dude, your hair. Look at your hair. What took you guys so long?
Somebody died on the plane.
Are you
Heart attack.
Die again, Meg. Shit. This is my beautiful family. My beautiful mom. My beautiful papa. My beautiful sister. And Miguel.
Okay.
And the beautiful Issa. We are finally complete. We're at dim sum because that was Miguel's request. So far, how does it feel that I'm getting married?
Oh, I don't know what to say. I still can't believe it.
We are currently on our way to Ayala and we're riding the spider. So we were telling my papa that we were gonna go pick him up, and then we were gonna pick him up at their condo and then go to Ayala. He's like, I'd rather walk than ride the spider. So here we are. Ta-da! Say hi, guys! Oh my god, guys, I completely forgot that I was vlogging my last week of being single. How could I ever forget? But I just came from downtown and I got the rest of the decorations and the fabric for the wedding backdrop, and I'm gonna work on it now. So you guys got a little sneak peek of the decorations. Ta-da! And I'm gonna finish it, and that is a tab that I do not like. I wanted to tell you guys a little story as to why I decided to do our own decorations. Me and Paulo didn't want to spend so much on the wedding decorations and stuff like that. I have worked in events, so I kind of know what to do. I don't mind being a DIY bride. So Paulo and I really scoured the internet for designs and stuff like that. So I know your initial thought is, oh, it's not so wedding-y. It's very kiddie party-ish, which I've been getting a lot from my friends and from family who has seen the invitations and the designs, but Paulo and I are okay with it. We just never really had a concrete theme. Here is the inspiration for the decors. We want it to just be like a really fun party. Our decors on the tables are gonna be glow sticks, so it doesn't really have like that full wedding vibe. Yeah, that's it. Everyone meet Princess. I'm not her biggest fan, but I need a child laborer, and therefore, she's the one. What's your complete name? Hoy! What's your complete name? What's your pangan ba? Ayaw itapos si mong sip. Ina lang. My name is Harry Potter.
Neko.
Okay? Ano tilagit ko? Chusi ka te. I am at Colon. I came with Elisa because I needed to buy some last minute things, and there she is. We got a bunch of the fabric for the backdrop, and then we bought another screen over there. It's just been a long day. Oh, pagka po iligo. Muta na ko resolution no before ko manuon magligo ko.
Sige, kag-resolution.
These are my brothers and my cousin. It's my okay. What's your name on Instagram?
On Castro.
Yes, he doesn't have Instagram. No, I have Instagram.
Yes, he does.
You don't need to follow me.
Why not? We're hanging out. Today, Paulo and I are going to find his wedding shoes. We're gonna do groceries because the dress up is gonna be inside this house, and Paulo's gonna go upstairs. We got an Airbnb for him, which is like one trick if you guys are trying to save a little bit of money. Not even a little bit, a lot of money. Next, we have to plan our dinner. I think sa Binisaya, or in Filipino, it's bisita. I thought bisita English. Ano sige tawagan na po? Pamanhikan or something? My understanding of pamanhikan is when you make two families meet, right? I know this was supposed to go, we were supposed to do this like a while ago, like the moment we got engaged. But because my family is in the States, we never really got around to doing it earlier. And also, like, my family already knows Paulo's family and vice versa because they're neighbors. So we basically already know each other. It's just that we kind of want us to feel more comfortable, especially on the day of the wedding. Here's Paulo trying on his shoes. We are at... I don't even know what the name of the store is. What is it? Oh, there. We are at Menja's. Paulo originally said his shoe budget was 1,500. Look at him now. And I want to kamahal ang sapatos kay gaya. He's afraid he's gonna have a Chandler Bing moment. Sayo daw, Paul.
Real won't be real, fake gon' fall. Took time with this.
Guys, so we are currently at Cheeky Chic, and this is like a place for like all your bridal like giveaways and needs and stuff. It is so cute. I've actually known about this place for a while. It's just that I never got to drop by. I was invited to like one of the events, but I forgot because I'm stupid. So look, there are bags. Yeah, those are really cute. They're like these tote bags and this. So we're planning to get these for our ninong and ninangs. So it's gonna have our initials on it, or like we're still figuring out. We can put 2 pens in it, and you have like thank you cards and notes. It's super cute. They have like these little boxes, and they have this. This is actually cute also, and the wine. Planning to get that, but because we have guests coming over from the States, it might be too big for them to carry. So we want this. It's really cute. And look, to the ladies, they have like these really cute sleeping masks. Oh my god, this is so cute. And they have all these picture boxes. Oh, and if you guys are looking for like these keepsake boxes, they have these too. So you can just have whatever you want etched on it. I am gonna put the address over here, and you guys can take a screenshot of it and then drop by. So I am back at my dad's house, and look who I'm with. I still haven't got any followers. Wait, I need to ask you something. Why do you guys want more followers on Instagram?
So it's flex.
What are you flexing? What do you have to flex? You know what you do? You should
I
like
wanna
your
be-
own photos so you get
I
more
want to
likes.
be the very best.
That's toxic.
Guys, followers don't define you.
Yeah, it does. It defines your clout.
I'm about to change my signature and I don't know what I want and I'm just so fickle. So here he is. Do it, Paulo. Do it. Okay. Let me try it. So when do I start using it?
Once you change your name.
When am I changing my name, never? I'm excited to use my new signature. Okay, I'll change my new signature. Good morning, one and all. It is a Wednesday morning at 5 o'clock in the freaking morning. This is just like a preview of what's going to happen on the day itself. But Paula and I and Miguel are on our way to Ayala to meet our parents to watch Endgame. Yes. I woke up at like 4:30. I don't know how I'm going to do it on the wedding though. It's so early. So we just finished watching Avengers. Now we are on our way to fit Paulu's suit. And then I gotta go get my nails done. So I'll see you. This is where Paulo's having a suit made. It's at Infini here at Country Mall. I don't remember the prices of it, but it's pretty decent. We just had to buy the fabric. It smells like old men. Hey guys, so I am currently at Mira where I'm gonna get my nails done. If you guys are wondering what else I've gotten here so far, which is in my previous vlog, I've gotten my hair done. I'm getting my nails done here. I got a body scrub and I got my facial scrub here. Yeah, I really like it here. It's super nice. It's super clean. The staff is super accommodating. I love it here. I am definitely very proud to be a Mirror bride. I have 3 ladies helping me out. Tingnan ako katabangon nun. I have really, really small fingers and humok kaayo akong kuko. So, okay ra ate. They're gonna add kanang acrylic nails or extensions na siya ate. Gel. I-add siya on top of this nail or like as an extension of my nail. So I just got my hair treatment and then they're gonna leave it on for like a little bit so that all of that good stuff goes in. My hair lately has been, well, it's always been quite dry, especially after getting the treatment. I mean like the hair color. So they're trying to like make it look bright and like alive on the wedding day. Here are my nails. They are not done yet. I still have to get my mani on. So I'm gonna choose like maybe like some pinks and then I'll get like an accent nail over here. That's what I have so far. That's it. I'm so amazed. I've never had nails these long before, so I'm so excited, but it's kind of hard to type and to text, but I am willing to go through the long process of learning because it's so beautiful. Oh man, this is so new to me because I've never had my nails on like this, but they are so freakishly long. Like now that I'm in the sunlight, I'm kind of second guessing it because they're so long. So what I kind of told myself was I'm gonna give myself like a good 1 or 2 days to see how I feel about it. We'll just see, because right now I love the length, but it does feel kind of extreme, like even for me. I'll let you guys know what I think about it, what happens. I'm so lost. I'm so sleepy and I haven't ate or eaten the whole day. So these are my suppliers. They don't know I'm vlogging.
HDMI ay yung wire.
And then we're just finalizing everything.
Projector has HDMI.
I'm so excited for this guy.
It's crunch time.
And I love this. It's so pretty. So pretty. I figured that these nails earlier were just too long for my life. I couldn't text. I tried picking my nose. It was really hard. So I was like, let's go change it. So I had them filed down, and they did it for like really fast. So now they are in a normal person length. I'm good with it. And now I'm at my favorite waxing salon. I'm at Nail Strips, and I am gonna get everything waxed. If you remember that 3-week deal that Paul and I had, it's got to be ready for that deal. I am supposed to feel relaxed and like a lady, but that isn't the case. I'm hungry, I'm tired, and look at what my beautiful, sweet husband-in-law, or in time, soon-to-be husband, has prepared for me. a pork steak. He's so sweet. I love you. And he made it for me because I was about to cry because I was so hungry and I have not eaten anything the whole day. Like, I literally have only lived off coffee and Gatorade and like tiny bites of mamon. Look at that. That is so freaking good. Now you guys know who cooks the meals in this house. It is the Paulo Bear, and he's really good at it. So look at my nails. Ah, they're so freaking beautiful. Ah. Good morning. It is 2 days before the wedding, and I'm currently using a balloon on my face. So this is something that the makeup artist told me to do. She said every morning to put ice on my face so that I will have smooth and supple skin on the day. It's just a balloon that we filled up with water and then we let it ice over. I wasn't able to do my skincare last night because I was so sleepy. I just went to bed right away after having dinner. Like right after I had dinner, I jumped on the couch and then I fell asleep, and that was that. I woke up for a little bit at like 12 and then I went back to sleep. So that's how tired I was. So today what I have to do is I have to make a logo for Isa and Paulo, and then I have to finish a video, and then I have to fit gowns for my flower girls, and then I have to fit my wedding gown, and then we have dinner, and then Paulo has to pick up his suit. Okay, so I am at Bree's shop, Atelier. I don't really know how to pronounce it. Is it Atelier, Atelier, whatever. But we're here. Nagdadya do gunting pero mo patyon ko. Ano ka mo dunggab na ko, Bri?
Ay, magunti ko sa burda, bakukang. Nahuman mo burger.
So my gown has embroidery in it, and they're very special embroideries because they are little words that have words, or like they're little words and sayings that are very important to me and Paulo. And I almost didn't get the embroidery that I wanted, but Brie pulled through. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. It says words like forever, sweetheart, which is what me and Paulo call each other, petita, pig, pisa, and so these are just different colors here. And it says, this one is cute. It says, I have found the one my soul loves, to the moon and back, because he always says that he loves me to the moon and back. It says 203. This is the room number that we live in right now. Paulo Bear, P-Dog, which is what I call him, and Pig Forever. Petita is just something that Paulo calls me because I'm small, and I don't know why. It says forever. It says forever. What else? Yeah, this is what it says. So I'm helping Brie cut it out because I love Brie so much.
Love you too.
Hi. It's 2 days before the wedding, but okay naman siya. I'm not really freaking out because I know it's Brie, and like dili siya matog hanto dili mahuman. And this is my cat, Salem, who I love very, very much. She's the sweetest cat ever. Love, 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 love. Love, 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 love. So we are currently on our way to Taichung in Grand Convention because we will be having our dinner, which is technically our pamanhikan, but we don't really call it that. We just call it dinner. Basically, the point is so that Paulo's parents and my parents can finally meet each other and like just to reconnect, so that it's not really weird during the wedding itself. Like, it's not kind of awkward because although we've known each other, our families have known each other for a very long time, they just haven't really seen each other in a while. So this would be like a nice catch up and stuff like that. So we're on our way there to dinner. I will most definitely not be vlogging it because I don't want to embarrass anyone. Where it's kind of weird to have like a camera in people's faces, especially like your parent-in-laws and like your grandparent-in-laws. So we just won't. Okay, I'll try to get like those snippets, but most likely we will not. Okay, I'm gonna be a very good girl. So will I? Yes, I will. I'm gonna act like a wife to this.
Can't wait for food.
I know, I'm so excited for the food. I'm wearing a white dress so that I feel like a bride. I'm gonna milk this because I'm only a bride once. We're home, guys. We're finished with the dinner, and I did not take videos. I don't think I was gonna. It was just gonna be too embarrassing. But insert photo here. So that's Paolo's family, and that's my family. And now Miguel is at home with us. And look who's working hard for his wedding. Paolo! This is proof I know how to speak in Tagalog, Paolo, because Paolo's just hating on me for not knowing how to speak Tagalog. So, I'm gonna break it down like this. Kung nakikita nyo ngayon, medyo uso yung neon lights and stuff. So, obviously, bits and pieces sa kasal namin, may glow sticks, tsaka may streamers na colored and stuff like that. That's what Paolo's doing. So, see guys, my Tagalog isn't that bad all the time. But it helps that Papa's home, so I kind of get to practice it a little bit. So Paolo's just working hard. Go, slave, go. This is the bag that I'm giving out to my friends, my bridesmaids. We made this at H&S Clothing. It says, I do crew. I don't know if you guys can actually tell. I don't even know why the do is not capital. Jeez, I'm so dumb. And it says here, the pizzas. I made the silk screen of this like a million years ago. So we hadn't settled on our official hashtag, so that's why there's like a hashtag the pizzas, hashtag it's the pizza party, hashtag pig forever. Inside of this thing are pajama sets that I had made. Then it says like my bridesmaid's name on it. So this is Nina. It's supposed to be Ninya, but wow, what you gonna do? The font didn't have Enya. And then inside of this is also gonna be a robe, because there was actually supposed to be just the pajamas, but I kind of freaked out that the fit of this wasn't gonna be perfect, so I just had them make a robe na lang din, and then I kind of want to stuff it with more because I feel like it's a little bit empty. Then behind me are the flower girls dresses, and I just have to have them repaired tomorrow, and then we'll be all good. And then I have to make something after, so it's all good in the hood. I don't need to be up really early tomorrow, so that's good as well. See you guys. Hey everyone, tomorrow is the big day. Paolo's just loading all the alcohol in the car, and I'm having lunch with my dad and his wife because it's her birthday today, and I have to come home by 1. No, we're gonna pick up the backdrop, drop it off at casino, which is our reception area, and then I have lunch. So it's a really, really, really hectic morning because Paolo's checking in at his Airbnb by 1, so we won't be seeing each other the whole day. Be broken. I just want you to know who I am. Why you hit me?
No video.
What?
No video.
But it's our last day as a boyfriend and girlfriend.
Alam, saan ko na niyo pag-sleep tonight?
I'm gonna drink a can of beer and then go to sleep. Oh my god, look at these eyes. I just want to go home and rest. This is where we're getting married tomorrow. It's gonna be upstairs, somewhere over there. So we come here a fair amount at some times. Because, see, there's like a pool over there. We're not members, but Paolo's parents are members, so that's why we were able to book this room. This is our ninong. Tito Rico. I think Paolo's dad is somewhere here. But look, they're all like old Spanish people. Because it's a Spanish club. We need women on this wall. They're all men. This is basically where we're gonna have it. But ours is just gonna be plain in front, no decorations, because who can afford it? They have like this nice entrance going on. Ours is just gonna be plain. Then all the doors are gonna be closed so that when you enter, it's just gonna be that. We're not gonna have the drapings and all that stuff. It's just gonna be pretty plain. This is like a completely different wedding compared to ours. Our decorations are gonna be so plain, it's actually like kind of freaking me out. But then again, the whole point is to have fun and not to have like an extremely grand wedding. So I guess I'm okay with that. Habang ako ay naghihintay sa aking angkas driver, I will tell you about all the things that happened today. It is officially 6:30. It's not even officially. I don't even know what time it is right now. I was able to finish my SDE. or my video, my AVP for Paulo. So at least that's finally done. I transferred all the files. I finally took a bath. I am on my way to 8 p.m. because I have to buy ampaws. I was supposed to go to SM to buy a half slip skirt, but I don't need any more because I found an online seller who is able to, or who is willing to send it to me. And we are so prepared for this wedding. Like, it's crazy. We still don't have the cocktails. Elisa's out getting them. They are coming over tonight after they have dinner, and they are gonna drink. And that was our last kiss as boyfriend and girlfriend. Why are you? Love
It's
you.
not on. Oh, it's on.
Last kiss.
Love you.
I love you. See you, ex-boyfriend.
I have everything. No.
I am at the grocery store with Miguel. And we are about to get beer for myself. Because I might not be able to sleep tonight, and beer usually gets me really sleepy, especially if it's San Miguel night. I really hate this. I need a facelift for this dark spot. I hate looking at it. I'm just gonna get 2 bottles of beer, and we bought like the cocktails. Don't look at it because she'll judge. My cool cousin.
If you have cables. Hi, viewers.
He is my, what are you, Franco? You're my what for the
Bible
wedding?
bearer?
What are you? Are you the Bible bearer?
I think so.
Masunog ka, ha? Have you even touched the Bible?
Never. I don't even know what to do.
You just hold the Bible.
hold it and walk.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you gotta walk with like swag.
I'm gonna set it down. Like soldiers torn.
Ignas, a good night. So guys, I'm gonna go to bed now. Almi is in the bed with me, and Elisa is gonna sleep here also. And I'm just gonna do my skincare and everything. So good night. Bye.